Kami po, first time po na. Ha? Ta, magkasino tayo? Chef Louie. Oh my gulay, ang ganda. Hi guys. Alas, we are here at Philly Hotel, here at New Star in Cebu City. We are here and it's very nice. Narating ko na rin yung chandelier na napakalaki. Look at this. Oh, ang laki ng chandelier. Oh my gosh. Large, huge. Where are you? Let's go. Ako lang nag-ingay dito. At ang ganda. Grabe, sobra. Wow naman. Ah, grabe. Morning. Han?
Ito ba yung kainan dito sa restaurant?
Dito sa Sinsanti. May daan dito, may daan din doon?
May daan dito?
Dito sir, dire-diretso para mas marami yung rate na beses.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Mas pasok kayo ng casino, yung Chinese restaurants.
Ah, papagano. Ah,
Diretso naman eh, mga mall, ganyan.
oh, okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Bago lang. Thank you. Sa Kazuwa.
Ayan yung pila.
Fina. Yeah. Ay. Thank you. Yes, sir. Fina. Babait nila. Super. Nag-shortcut kami dito sa likod kasi nila. Meron ditong daanan. Pati doon sa kabila. Which way? Ito yung Fina. Ito yung dining nila. Saan? Hindi dito yung buffet. Ito yung Kazuwa Prime. Good morning. Ta, magkasino tayo?
Bukas na.
Ayan. Level 1. Ayan.
Doon nga.
And then 2. Yan. Tayo. Nakakalito, wala man lang sign. Ang bait niya. Oh my God. Ang bait-bait niya. Oh my God, you are an angel. You are the only angel in this hotel. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Look at that. Come on, let's go. Oh, what a photography. Look at that. Look at that.
Tapi kinita na nga ito.
Dito na.
Tapi kinita.
Ayan na, dito na.
Favorite, no?
Yan na, dito na. Philly Cafe. Oo nga naman. Karamihan ng hotel ay nagpapajama, nakabatrobe, minsan naka-swimwear lang. Hindi naman maganda, di ba? So, that's nice. At ang kanilang schedule ng opening and closing time is this one. Okay.
After yung lunch, it's only on Saturdays and Sundays.
Meet Johnny, the very good waiter here in Philly Buffet. Thank you so much. Muad to lang ko. Don't worry. I am now going to eat. I am now going to take the food. Okay, to bring it to my table. And here it is. Dito tayo mag-umpisa. Anong meron dito? Ah, mga donuts. They have a lot of... Wow. Vanilla donut. There's the display only. Display only pala ito. You see that? To see what is there. What are available. Multi-grain. They have a lot of... These are only display, I think. Ah, no. Oh, display nga. This is mango coconut pearls. Yan. Mango mocha. Mango cheesecake. Mango chocolate mousse. And they have here the croissant. Croissant. Okay. Nice. Good morning. What's that?
This taho.
Ah, taho. You have taho? Oh, wow. Beautiful. My God. Taho. Special. They have sunflower. For display only, huh? Malunggay gluten. Spanish bread, custard bread, bukayo bread, that is the pan de coco, and this one is cheese bread, and this is for display, and this is ensaymada here, and pandesal. Oh, they have a lot of options. Kung gusto nyo, soft rolls, mini rye bread. Okay, so let's transfer that. Okay, sabi ko kasi hindi muna ako kakain, mag-video muna ako. So, multi-grain bread, white toast bread. Oh, ang daming pagpipilian, my God. Croissant with almond. Wow, almond croissant. Then, strawberry danish. They have. And then, they have blueberry danish. And they have also cream cheese, cardamom danish. And cinnamon raisins roll. And they have also pineapple chocolate. And they have also cereals. Okay, ayun na. Pumasok na siya. And then, siguro lalabas siya dito. Parang siyang ano, umikot lang siya. Where are you? Dito siguro lalabas. Ayun, there you are. Ay, nagulog siya. Eto guys, dito lang namin nakain, Mille Foglie. This is a pasticceria italiana. Ang tawag dito ay Mille Foglie. Ayan si Jenny. Puro pasticcini na lang ang kinain ko. Hindi na ako kumain ng ganun. Mayroon siyang pancake. Ano yung kinain mo?
Kumain ako ng yung tiyan ng bangus lang.
Ah, okay. Very good. Healthy. So guys, tapos na ako dito. Dito tayo kanina. Pakita ko lahat sa inyo ngayong umagang to. Kung anong na-offer nila sa buffet nila ng breakfast. Na ipakita ko na yan. At o nga pala, may taho doon. Teka, good morning. Pakita ko yung taho. May taho dito, oh. Look. Oh, ang sarap ng taho nila. Pwede mong lagyan ng caramel. Ano ito? Hindi ko alam. Ay, condensed milk. Meron silang, ayun, tapioca pearls. Ayan. So, let us go. Okay. Good morning. What is this? Yung mahablang ka? Okay. Puto. Oh, okay.
Cebuano malt light.
Ah, yeah.
It's a puto maya.
Wow, sarap. Sarap niyan sa
Sikwate.
sikwate. Paired with sikwate, the best talaga ang Cebuano. Very nice. Mag-video lang ako, hindi ako makahawak. Waffle, yes. Ha? No, wait. Later kasi mag-video lang. Okay, thank you. Then they have here, what's this? Sausages. Wow. Ito na yung mga heavy. Ayan. Ayan. So, crispy bacon. Wow, that is the favorite. Yun ang sinabi ng husband ko. Andun yung favorite mo, yung bacon. And then, chorizo de Cebu. Oh, wow. Grabe na. Dami, ah. And then, the sauces. Sauces, they have a lot of different sauces. The mustard. The honey mustard. Garlic ayon. Tomato ketchup. Complete. Meron ding dining area dito. Kung gusto nyo dito kayo maupo, pwede rin. And then, here is wow! The quarter oats. The oats, cereals. And then, they have here the wow! Champurrado. And here, they have the Insalata Primavera ba to? Deep fried dilis with cucumber and green mango. Okay. And this one is the deep fried danggit. And this one is the deep fried pusit. Ay, pusit. Pusit here and danggit there. Nabaliktad. Oh, nabaliktad ang paglagay ng name. Okay, anyway. Yan, ikutin natin. Para tayo makontento ngayong magang to, ikutin natin. Dami nilang nagluluto doon. Okay. Pasilip lang. They have here the fried rice, garlic fried rice. Okay. And then they have here the steamed white rice. And then they have here the hash brown. And they have the bangus a la pobre. Bakit ba na a la pobre yan? Ang mahal-mahal ng bangus na yun. egg frittata. And then they have lechon humba. Wow. Humba Cebuano siguro ito. And then they have homemade corned beef. They have pork tocino. Yeah. Chef, what is that vegetable you put?
Broccoli po.
Broccoli. Ah, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Ang gagaling nila, ha? Ayan. Egg Benedict. Ayan. I will have this one. Okay. Egg Benedict. Kasi wala akong egg. And then I have the hard-boiled. They have the shakshuka. Shawamushi daw yan. This is shawamushi. 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 Wow. Farm brown eggs, sunny side up, scrambled omelette, poached boiled. Okay, they have a lot here. Teka, mamaya ipagpatuloy ko. Ihatid ko muna itong Benedict ko. Then I will come back.